Hello, this is Mako Ikeda. Yes. This time, I'll be showing you what I bought at 3COINS. Storage items have evolved in many ways since the last Valentine's series. There are now many simple and cute products available, so use this as a reference before shopping. Alright, I'll start by showing you the biggest item. This is a display storage rack. It was being sold for 1,980 yen. There are two colors available, ivory and beige. This time I chose ivory. Here is the main unit. It's a simple box like this with a clear door on the front. It's a rack. It has a pretty solid depth, so you can store a lot in it. When you open the door, you'll see that there are two clear shelves inside, making it a total of 3 storage levels. You can use it to display and store stationery or small items that tend to clutter your desk. Or if you're into supporting your favorite idols, you could display your fan merchandise in it too. The door features a magnet for easy opening and closing, swinging open up to 90 degrees. It's great for displaying small items, keeping out dust, and providing easy access to frequently used items. It's very convenient to quickly open and easily take things out. This popular item sells fast, so get it soon if interested. Alright, next is this mesh stand. This one was a 500 yen item. It's a stand with different heights, and if you look at it from the side, you can see that you can place items in 3 different sections. It's wide enough, so you can store notebooks or document files upright. This also comes in 2 colors, ivory and beige, and there were other shapes in the same series being sold as well. Since it's made of mesh material, anything you put here, the transparent design allows for quick access to contents, while the natural colors blend seamlessly with your space. The varying heights enable efficient storage of smaller items in front for easy retrieval. Its simplicity and versatility make it a great choice for various locations. If interested, be sure to check it out. Alright, next is this tabletop push trash can. This one is also a 500 yen item. If you look at it from the side, it has a plain and simple design with just a small logo on the top. When you press this button, it pops open easily like this. The type that opens just by pressing a part is really convenient when you want to throw something away. The size is about the size of your palm. The key feature of this trash can is that you can set the bag so it can't be seen from the outside. If you pull out both sides a little, you can easily take the trash can apart like this. Then you can set the trash bag here and put the cover back on. So from the outside, you can hide the bag when you look at it. Once you set the bag over here, you just put it back together. The simple design hides the bag, so it doesn't look messy, and you can use it in your room or even keep it in your car. I think a lot of people end up with trash in their cars, so having a trash can like this solves the problem of where to put it. If you want a compact trash can that hides the mess and keeps things looking neat, definitely check this out.
Next, this is the Manor Roll pouch. This is being sold for 300 yen. It was found in the pet supplies section. And isn't it super cute with its heart shape? This slightly muted.
Now, besides the red one, there was also a black version. Inside, there's one roll of mana bags included. You just pull it out, and since there's a perforation, you can tear it off and use the bag like this. It's a really handy bag for when you're walking your dog. You just set the roll of bags inside and then pull it through the hole like I showed earlier. And if you keep the pouch closed like this, yes, this part is shaped like a crab can, so you can hook it onto your bag. When you hang it like this, you can quickly pull out a trash bag whenever you need one. This is how you can use the trash bags. I think you can find pouches for carrying trash bags like this at 100 yen shops too, but this one doesn't really look like those, does it? Plus this pouch is actually pretty big, so there's still some room left inside. For example, you could keep a few extra rolls in here as backup, or you could store other small items you use together with the trash bags. Compact items like wet wipes can be kept together in here. This is perfect for that. If you keep one in your car, you can have wet wipes to clean your hands after eating snacks and bags together, so you won't have trouble finding a place for your trash. And if you pair it with a simple tote bag, it could be a cute accent and make your bag look even nicer. Alright, this is the last one. I bought an interior cord cover. This one was also a 300 yen item. It comes with two translucent covers like this. This time I chose the pink and brown set, but there were other options too. There was also an ivory and blue set. The tag is a cute accent and makes it really adorable. The covers themselves are quite sturdy and long, so you can thread your cables through them, and if you tie the strings on both sides tightly, it helps hide the cables. Normally, exposed cables can make your space look a bit messy, but with these covers, you can make them look stylish. I'll try threading an official iPhone cable through it. Just insert it inside like this. Since it's pretty long, instead of threading it straight through, you kind of scrunch it as you go. Once you've threaded it all the way, you pull it out while scrunching it a bit, then tie the ends like this. Now both sides are tied. After that, just spread out the scrunched part evenly and it's done. So cute. With a simple cable like this, it usually just looks like a plain cable, but just by covering it like this, it really changes the vibe.
It looks kind of like interior decor, doesn't it?
I just tried putting a cover on a white cable, but I think black cables can really stand out in a room. So covering them like this seems like a good idea. Also, since it's pretty wide, you could probably bundle 2 or 3 cables together, not just one. It might be a bit bulky to carry around, but if you want to hide the lived-in look of cables in your room or make them look stylish, something like this is really easy and convenient to use. You can always take it off and put it on again, so it's handy if you change cables or want to use it somewhere else. So that's it for today. I introduced some items I bought from 3COINS. Was there anything that caught your eye? These items are available in stores and online, so check them out soon if you see something you like. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. This was Mako Ikeda. Bye bye!